FD Roosevelt State Park has over 40 miles of trails. Pine Mountain Trail makes up 23 of those miles. Trail maps are available at the park office. This park is deeply rooted in Roosevelt's history. Along the trails, you can see FDR's little white house that he had built in 1921 after he was plagued with polio. The stone swimming pool on the property was built during the Great Depression by the Civilian Conservation Corps. You can also see a sculpture of FDR at Dowdall's Knob, which was FDR's favorite picnic spot due to its view of the valley below. If horseback riding is more your style, the stables offer guided rides along 28 miles of trails. The trails are marked where horses are allowed versus hikers and dogs. Bikes and motorized vehicles are not allowed on any of the trails. In fact, off-road vehicles aren't allowed anywhere in the park unless they are for a disability. You can rent kayaks, canoes, john boats, and aquacycles from the park office. There is no boat ramp and only electric motors are allowed. Swimming is not permitted in the lake, but you can enjoy the Liberty Bell pool during the summer months. Trying out a new leash system.